Okay, we playing Brookhaven today, so I'm being a garbage man, so I'm gonna get this one because it's colored green like a garbage truck. I don't know what's G E. What is A N? Wait, how I spell garbage trucks? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna spell. Oops, I'm gonna spell it with this one. Oops, no. Recycle. So we're gonna put it to green today. So I don't know what we need. We need plastic bags. We're gonna pretend that's the plastic bags and a box. Wait, is it? So we're gonna pick up some trash. Wow! I want to go there. We need to change our speed to 5 because I'm in the phone right now. So I saw somebody there, but I saw some trash right there, so I'm gonna get it. Because there we go. There we go. So first trash, everybody. So we're gonna bring it to the dump. That's the dump. Wait, can I see it? Okay. Bring the bin. Okay, we gotta also. Oh my goodness, we gotta go to the dump. Let's just go. Bing the bin. Oh, I saw somebody talking. It was a kid. So that's my Brookhaven dump. So you just we go it. So you there? Now go there and go back it up and put it in this where the dump place. And you go and get and open this. There we go. So that's the end of the video. So bye.